Hey, what's up you guys? It's me Jham and welcome back to honeycrunch321. Before I apply the base color, I already applied a base coat. Then I'm using this stamping plate for today's nail art. I'm using this honey and bees design. I'm using a regular black nail polish and a clear stamper. Then I'm filling it in with colors. After letting the design on the stamper to dry, I'm applying a fast drying top coat onto my nails. Then, I'm stamping the design on my middle nail. For my ring nail, I'm using this honeycomb design. For my index, pinky, and thumbnail, I'm applying a gold glitter top coat. And after all of that, I'm applying top coat. And that's it! If you guys enjoyed today's video, don't forget to hit like, share this video to your awesome friends, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram to get the latest updates and more. And that's it for today guys. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you on my next video. Stay safe. Bye!